Alright guys, we're back in Hervey Bay. The wind's blowing, there's no sandflies, that's just fucking awesome. Because last time we were down here there was sandflies everywhere and it was freaking caning us. Shush Bendy, shush. Got the dog over here, Mitchie's dog, having a bark. Anyway, we're going to do some exposed again. We're doing another driveway over here and another bit of a surround. So we'll try to get a bit of that action and see how we go. Hope you enjoy your week and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, well this is one bit we got. 3 little slabs, 1, 2, 3. And then over here, we got a driveway. Nicely exposed driveway. We got Mitchie Brown here. Mitchie's had a shave, looking all nice and young, ladies. Hit him up. He's a single man. Out of control. Looking for a mole. lady. Look at that, that's beautiful sunlight. You always get the nice shots, Mitch. With the sun behind you. Alright, anyway, let's get it done. I got Kyle here too. Hey Kyle. Hey. And we're working for Loza. Big Lawrence. Just joking. This is the job we're doing today in Hervey Bay. We're just sitting around waiting for concrete. Kyle's hosing the slab down, hosing the sand down, keeping a bit of moisture in there. We've got dry sand like this, dry dirt. How dry it is. You want to wet it up a little bit, so you got a bit more time. Alright, concrete's here. Action on. Alright, we've got the first part in. We've got around the side there in. Screw that off. Me and Kyle are screwing the driveway now. Hasn't been bull floated yet. Mud's feeling okay. It was pretty shit at the start. But it's feeling okay now. Put some heights in and away we go. We're just waiting for the next truck now. We've got all this bit in. It's all being bull floated now. There's a corridor up there. Nice and glary up there. A bit wettish. It's taken an hour so far for the first truck in. Good time. Okay, it's 8:20 and all the driveways in. Done. It's already been stick troweled once. Boys are edging it, smashing it. Now we're going to do this bit up here. Haven't been able to get anything on the tools yet, but we'll get there. There's 3 little slabs here. Good times. We've got Eggy and Mitchie on the wheelbarrow. Champions. There we go. Right, Lawrence is on his last stick trowel. Got a bit of wetness here in the shade. But the rest of it's all done. And this is what we're waiting for a bit of extra concrete. We're supposed to get enough, but we cut it short that much. And this much here. So I think the concrete company's cutting us short, I reckon, because we measured it all up properly. So I don't know what's going on. Yes. Lawrence is spraying rugger salt. He's getting his rugger salt on right now. The little electric motor. Lawrence, someone's leaking out your thing. Oh, dirty water. Dirty water. Lawrence just put the mark in the concrete there just to show where he's put the sugar to. Because there's a bit of shade, so you've got to do the sunny bit first. And then when it dries a bit more, do the shady bit. Test that. Give it 5 minutes and we'll back into it. Where's this concrete? Alright, our next bit of concrete's here. We're action on. Eggs ready. Yee-hoo! Come on, Corey. Get excited. Back this bitch up into this hole. Nah. Won't work that way. Anyway, let's do it. Everything's all stick trout off. Corey stick trout it all.
Rough as guts, boys.
He's done the last one. We're gonna do this one again, yeah. He's just doing it once for now. Everywhere else has got the... Fuck, I forget what it's called now. The coronavirus.
We've all got the coronavirus.
They reckon they tested all these concretes in China that should have had coronavirus and they never had it because they're in the concrete. So we're safe, all us concreters. You know that's a load of shit, don't you? Don't believe what I just said. I just like talking shit. Nice work. Does it? That hole? It says it on there, and it always has said it on there.
Yeah, but that'll be before it's in your fucking respiratory system.
Well, where did it come from, the coronavirus, in the first place? How long has that been around for?
Kills E. coli, Salmonella, MRSA, rotavirus, which is flu virus, cold viruses, human, coronavirus, and RSV.
And what is it?
Dettol.
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 The old Dettol.
Already.
Nah.
That's like if the hand towel's got coronavirus on it, it's in your fucking...
Oh, it's in your system, yeah. You're fucking not going to kill it with that. No, that's right. You mean to say you'll clean everything with it?
We've got cases of it.
This is my problem with the coronavirus. It comes from China, and we get packages from China all the fucking time. All over the world, packages are coming from China. Who's to say that they haven't got coronavirus? Just check your packages before you open them, I reckon. Alright, we're washing it off. Me and Lawrence are washing off. Doing a nice job there. Beautiful. Not around there yet. This guy breaking in the house. What are you doing, mate? Get out of there! Get out of there, mate! Who said you can go in there, eh? Get out of there! I can see you, mate! I'll call the cops! Okay, it's 12:30. Call the ball. Driveway's washed off. All up there's washed off. All the little pads. All up the sides washed off. It's all cleaned up. Time to go home. It was an awesome day with the boys, as usual. Just need more of it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Wasn't much action again, it's too hot, it just goes too quick. It's only 12:30. We started at 6:30, so it's taken us 6 hours to pour this concrete and finish it and strip it and pack it up. And I think we're going to mark some torque lines out and that's it, and we're good to go home. But anyway, I'll talk to you after. I've got another job with Jeff Clyde and the boys on Wednesday, and another one with Lawrence on Friday. So hopefully I'll do another video, hopefully by then. See myself in the mirror. Hey guys, how you going? Alright, anyway, if you can subscribe, that'd be awesome. If you can leave a comment, that'd be awesome. And share one of our videos. Let's try to get this channel. There's no construction concrete channel that's got over 1 million subscribers. Let's hit 1 million subscribers. We can do this. Let's make it happen. We all got to join together. There's more construction workers out there than anything else in the whole fucking world. So why can't we dominate? Let's show that Concrete Ninja can do it. Alright, anyway, bye. See ya, boys. See ya. Finished. Done. Like a toilet. Chalking out the lines. And I'm going home. That was a beautiful day, but gotta be stoked with that. Feet were all wet. Fucking shoes, some of the gummies. Chalk the lines. The Metro Sprue. The Corey Jew. The only Corey Jew. No mountains, just Corey's. This is Concrete's tampon. She's blue. It's extra string.
What
I was just thinking of someone with a string on it.
That's how you pull a string on. That's what you do now.
That's how it's done.
Stand near the edge. Please don't yell at me.
Bam, bam, bam. See that noise it makes? It's like a guitar. That's just bullshit. I'm talking to the camera. What'd you say? I'm fried. Fuck off. Fried from the concrete. That's it.
It's called concrete burn to the brain. Concrete brain burn.
Burn, yeah.
Brain burn. That's what we get.
I reckon Lawrence gets that every day when he goes home. He has to think about the next job. Brain fart.
Brain. Hemorrhoid fart.
Alright. We'll chalk out the rest of this out and we're going.
Where you going?
I don't know. Back to Bundaberg.
Nice city. Nice shoes.
I know. Same, my feet got really wet.
That's the lad shoes.
Yes, hello. Yes, it is pretty funny about my Mediterranean fever. Like 2 days ago I couldn't walk, yesterday I couldn't really walk, and today, now I'm walking the dog, and back to my calisthenics. So, it's a weird... Alright, new TikTok challenge. Let's see if we can move this bottle. See this bottle? Put it on top of here. Move this bottle without touching it. We've done the punches before. Very hard to move it. Oh. But with a kick, crescent kick. I'm going to go like this. Ready? The Jedi Force is in you.